It is 11:30 a.m. and we are at last departing Nawiliwili Harbor for Sitka, Alaska. We're not going to stop. Yeah, we're not going to stop. We're not going to stop at Hanalei. There's a lot of people up there waiting for the same weather break that we have. So
I hear most of them are probably leaving today or tomorrow.
Most of them are leaving today or tomorrow. They didn't leave last night.
Yeah.
And then there's, what's that, big Columbia, they're going tomorrow?
You know, I didn't catch the name of their boat.
Me neither.
They're from Vancouver, so they probably pass us along the way somewhere.
Maybe. That boat's big, but it's slow. Of course, we're really slow, so...
So we've tested the water maker, and it's good to go.
Yep, everything's good, eh?
And got some last-minute adjustments made in the inside, which should help a lot on this trip.
Yep. We'll get out here to this last buoy and we'll put the sails up. We could have sailed out, but the wind is still...
Well, we had to calibrate the tiller pilot.
We had to calibrate the tiller pilot. We can't do that under sail. But and the wind is... It's not exactly perfect, but it'll work.
It's better than it has been.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, it's starting to get a little spray in here, so I'm going to tuck the camera away.
Bye-bye.